Question is locate root 9.3 on a number line. So now we will check how we can locate root 9.3. To locate root 9.3 on a number line, first we have to draw a line. So we will draw one line here of any measure. Okay. Then 9, if we have to plot root 9.3, so using a scale we can measure 9.3 on this line. We can mark at 9.3, 1 point we will mark here, and 1 centimeter extra, that is 10.3. Always remember, when question is, suppose in this particular question root 9.3 we have to plot, so 1 point will mark on 9.3 and then we'll add 1 in it, so it will become 10.3. so 10.3 we have to mark. Suppose question comes like of root 5.6, that time add 5.6, mark 1 point and add 1 in it to get 6.6. so 1 mark should be on 6.6. okay, so now these 2 points we will write here as A, B and C. This point is A, we can consider this point as B, and the third point which is after 1 centimeter we can consider C here. Now after this we will draw perpendicular bisector of AC. Perpendicular bisector of AC, that means we have to take more than half distance. Okay, more than half of AC, and cut one arc above the line and one arc below the line. Okay, keeping the distance same, you have to keep this pointer now at A and cut those arcs which you have made earlier using the point C. Okay, now we have to join these points here using a line. So we will join, suppose any other color we can take here. Okay, name this point as point O. Now taking O as a center and OA as a radius, you have to draw one semicircle here, taking O as center and OA or OC you can take. Okay, because this is perpendicular bisector of AC. So you have to draw one semicircle here. That semicircle should cut at point A and C in proper way. Okay, properly it should cut. Now next step is, from B we will draw one perpendicular, so you can make use of protractor here. You have to mark 90 degree. Okay, that 90 degree you have to join now with B. So we will join using line. Okay, then consider that line can be red also, no problem. So here we drawn this perpendicular on B. We will name this point which meet semicircle, that point we will consider as D. Okay, that perpendicular line and the semicircle, intersection of those two arc, one arc and one line, we can write as DE. Sorry, D. Okay. Now this is our required length. BD is the required length, that is root 9.3. Okay, so this is 9.3. So we will write here 9.3. So this is 9.3. Okay, BD length. Now this should be on number line. This BD length is 9.3. This should be on number line. So what we will draw? What we will do here? We will draw one arc. Okay, this B distance, BD distance is 9.3. It should be on a number line. So this distance we will take, BD distance. We can take any other color here to draw this one. Now see. Okay, so the point of intersection of this curve and the number line we can call as E. So this E point, BE distance will be equal to root 9.3. Okay. You can measure, and because since we know root 9 is 3, so root 9.3 will be 3 point something should come. So this is how you can draw root of any decimal number on a number line.